Configuring custom ports in Outlook 2016. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Outlook. Now let's learn how to configure custom ports in Outlook. You may need to change the port your configured email account uses if, for example, changes are made on the server requiring the use of different ports. This video will show you how to change those ports in the event you ever have to. Click the File tab. Then click Account Settings, and then Account Settings again. Select the email account you want to change the ports for, then click Change. Click the More Settings button, then click the Advanced tab. This is where your email account's server ports are listed and where you can make changes to them. Let's assume we need to change to unencrypted connections. You can do that by clicking the drop-down box for connection type, then selecting the None option. Notice how the port number automatically changed to the proper port number for an unencrypted connection. When finished, click OK. Click Next. Once the test is complete, click Close. Click Finish. Then click Close. That's all there is to it. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure custom ports in Outlook.